Hi, Dr. Weichel. My name is Julia. My number's 444-645-4469. I'm calling to see if I can get an appointment to talk with you. I'm 17 years old and a freshman in college, and the dean said I had to call you if I want to continue in track. I'm so frustrated with my family and friends for getting involved in my personal business. I work hard and I don't have time for all of these people. I just want to focus on my schooling and track and be left alone. I study all the time and it shows in my grades. I have good grades. They're just jealous because they're not doing as well as I am. And I'm not like my roommate who likes to go out and party and not feel good the next day. And yeah, I used to hang out with all of them, but I don't feel like they're helping my grades or that they're good for me to be around them anymore. So I've stopped. I have great grades, and yes, I may have lost a little bit of weight so that I can run faster, just like my coach suggested. So I've done nothing wrong to get punished like this. So, well, I guess whatever it takes to get back on track, I'll do. But I'm telling you right now, I'm not happy about all of this. And I eat lots of salads and vegetables and drink Diet Coke, and it's all good for me. And there's really, is that really so wrong just because I do not like all the junk food they eat? And also, yeah, I get up early in the morning and I'm gone before my roommate gets up. You know, the early bird gets the worm. I was taught to work hard and for what you want and go after it all. And that's what I'm doing. And I don't want to have to deal with her. So I don't know why my roommate is such a busybody in my business. I do not bother her and I keep my side of the room clean and I always respect her privacy. And you know, college is stressful for everyone, not just me. So annoying. Anyway, so yeah, if you could just call me back as soon as possible, I would like to get this taken care of so you can see I'm just fine and you can let everyone know. Well, I hope to hear from you. And oh, my number's 444-645-4469. Bye.